with another glamorous, simple, and inexpensive centerpiece. Now, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are already a family member, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart for supporting me and my channel. Now again, today I'm getting ready to make another centerpiece, and this centerpiece will be blue and white. I love these two colors because that was the colors of my wedding. So I'm so excited. I get so excited when I'm doing these centerpieces. So you guys are ready to create? Let's create. Okay, the supplies you would need for this centerpiece are a large, long vase, some flowers, craft foam ball, this is a medium, string of beads, floating LED lights, some flowers, small plate, some gems, decorative gems, glue gun, and scissors. Okay, the first thing I did was added my flowers onto my foam ball. Measured and I cut each string of beads according to how long I wanted it on this plate. Okay, so I cut 4 of these. Then I cut 4 more strings of beads. Okay, I measured how long I wanted it to hang on each plate. Okay. Then what I did was measured it. Okay, I cut it. Then I glued one end of the beads to the decorative beads, just like that. Set it aside and I let it dry. So I made 4 of those. Okay. Now I'm gonna flip this bowl over. I'm gonna take my first string of beads and I'm going to glue it right to the end of the plate. One here. And the other one right across from the first one. I'm going to take another one. And I'm going to glue this one here to here. Okay, now I'm going to glue each one of these down. Okay, after it dries, then I'm going to turn my plate over. I'm going to glue my floral arrangement right on top of my plate. Okay, now I'm going to put my gems and my flower inside of my vase. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is sit my plate on top of my vase. Okay, if you are having a wedding and you want your chargers and your vases to have that crystal look, you would use some cut up glass from Michael's, okay? And all you do is put some Mod Podge on your glasses. I got these glasses from the Dollar Tree, and I got this charger, this plate from the Dollar Tree. You just add some Mod Podge on it, then you sprinkle some cut up glass, and there you have it. It's beautiful. It looks just like crystal. Okay? Till next time, be blessed and stay safe.